Verdant is a dynamic and sophisticated blend of fresh, spicy, floral, and woody elements that evolves beautifully from start to finish. It opens with bright and zesty notes of grapefruit and bergamot, balanced by aromatic green notes, lavender and petite grain, adding a refreshing yet complex burst of energy. The heart features a mix of warm spices and ginger, softened by the floral sweetness of violet and gardenia, with sage adding a slightly herbal earthy dimension. As it dries down, the base reveals a rich, smoky and warm combination of musk, sandalwood, vetiver and incense, complemented by the resinous depth of guaiac wood and labdanum, creating a sophisticated, long-lasting and slightly mysterious finish. The fragrance transitions smoothly from fresh and lively to warm, earthy and sensual, making it versatile for both day and night. Performance elements of Verdant. Longevity. The rich base notes of musk, sandalwood, vetiver, guaiac wood and labdanum ensure that the fragrance lasts long on the fabric, with incense providing depth and persistence. Expected to linger for 8 to 10 hours or more depending on environment. Sillage. The presence of spices, incense and woods creates a noticeable but refined trail, making this fragrance detectable without being overwhelming. The sillage remains prominent during the mid to dry down phases, leaving a subtle yet distinct presence. Projection. The fresh and spicy top notes provide an initial burst of projection, but as the fragrance dries down into the woody and musky base, it becomes more intimate and closer, offering a more subtle but elegant aura. Versatility. This fragrance's balance of fresh, spicy, floral and woody notes makes it suitable for various occasions and seasons. Its fresh top and middle notes are perfect for daytime wear, while the rich base lends itself well to evening or formal events. Best seasons. Spring, autumn, winter. The combination of green fresh notes with warm spices and woods makes this fragrance versatile across seasons. It shines particularly in cooler weather, where the deeper, warmer base notes can fully develop. Occasion. Day to evening. This fragrance's complexity allows it to be worn both during the day and in the evening, making it suitable for work, casual outings, or more formal occasion. Style and mood. Elegant and confident. The fragrance evokes a sense of refinement and sophistication, appealing to someone who exudes confidence and enjoys a versatile, well-rounded scent that makes a statement without being overpowering. Type. This fragrance falls under the aromatic woody category, making it sophisticated, balanced and versatile. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.